Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discussing about how we can set up this navigation menu. So, first we need to understand what is navigation bar. So, the navigation bar is the menu at top of Salesforce. Leads, tasks, files, accounts, contact. This all we call it as navigation menu. Now we are understanding how we can order this menu. There are two ways of arranging navigation menu. So we will go with first one. Click on setup. Once you click on setup, in quick find box, search app manager. So click on app manager. So in here you can see list of app name, application name. So currently I need to set navigation menu for sales app application. That's why I just select this one. Sales manage your sales process with account leads. So this is app type is lightning page, lightning app. So I will click on this arrow mark, click on edit. So it will go to app builder. So in app setting, you can see the multiple options are there. For example, app detail and boarding, app option, utility items, navigation items, user profiles. So I need to arrange the navigation, right? So that's why click on navigation items. So these are our current my navigation objects. So I need to add more of the more objects. For example, I have some receipt custom object I need to add. That's why I just type receipt. So I just add this. So automatically the receipt is come. Okay. So you can also rearrange this objects which appear first, which appear second, like that. So using this navigations below. So first we need to select at least one object, then click on up. Automatically that object will become appear. Okay, click on save, then go back to your home. Just hard refresh once. Just hard refresh once. So currently that receipt is available. So before that receipt is not available, currently it's available. This is how we can edit the navigation menu in Salesforce. So now we will go with second way how we can easily edit navigation menu. Just click on this pencil icon. It will show edit sales app navigation items. Okay. So in here you just click on add more items. So click on add. If you have any other object you need to add, automatically it will add. For example, I have a broker. Just click on broker, click on add, click on save. So in here automatically that object will be appear. So this is the easy way. Based on your requirement, you can use this. So I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.